Y'all know that feeling when you just get a package delivered and you're on your way to go pick it up because you know it's gonna make your supercharger whine 10 times louder? Well, I got that feeling right now. Let's head to the post office and pick up our brand new mod for the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Let's go. Okay, but unfortunately, my garage door on the Jeep Trackhawk side is broken. Oh no, my garage door, it's broken. Every time I try to open it up, guys, it does this. Doesn't work. So I got a guy coming to fix the garage door so I can actually get the Trackhawk out. So stay tuned, let's go pick up our package. So we have to take the regular Grand Cherokee, but that's no problem. Let's hop in. Oh, so cold. No, not the snow on the seat. Oh boy. What are the chances we spot another Trackhawk? All right. Hellcat squads. Oh, I just hit myself with the door. Okay, there it is. Can anyone guess what it is? Oh boy, I'm gonna lose the camera here. Big package. There's the short box and there is the Trackhawk. Can anyone guess what this absolutely massive package is? Okay, squad, let's open it up and see what's inside. Step 1, knife. Or razor blade, both work. Okay, so let's take a little bit closer of a look at what we just had arrive today, the Trackhawk. This is gonna be my first ever performance mod on the Hawk. Okay, I'll give you guys a good look from this angle. All right, squad. What do we have here? If you guys know what this is, then I guess it's already spoiled, but let's take a closer look. Okay, so we're just gonna set this down right here. Yes, this is the filter. Oh, and here it is. Guys, we have the Leg Maker carbon fiber intake. It finally came after over or almost 2 months of waiting. Okay, so let's go over everything that comes in the Leg Maker carbon fiber intake box. So we have one rubber tube. I'm not entirely sure what this does, but I've never modded a vehicle before when it comes to the engine. So this is gonna be my first ever mod. So stick with me. Don't roast me too hard in the comments if I get some of these names wrong. Okay, rubber tube. I'm gonna call this the snout. This product is intended for off-road use only. I'm sure as hell not off-roading my Trackhawk. But we got the rubber thing, we got the snout. Carbon fiber. Real carbon fiber. Look how good this looks, guys. This is gonna look so good underneath the hood. Okay, and then we got the clamps that come with the intake. So just your basic clamps that clamp on when you put the intake on. I have no idea what these are. If anyone tell me what these are, I should probably know before I install them. And that looks like it is all for the packaging, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the stock, the OEM intake on the Trackhawk, and then we're gonna put on the new carbon fiber leg make intake. So let's get to it. Okay, so I just unwrapped the other package, and this is gonna be the air filter for the intake. But as you can see, we have the clamps here, the carbon fiber snout here, rubber thing here, and this bench looks very messy. So let's clean it up in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's a little bit better. We got the Trackhawk mats, which we're gonna use as our workstation to assemble the intake and put all of our other parts on. So it's kind of cool, the Trackhawk mats. I also got half of a Trackhawk key. I was gonna modify it so the key gives you an extra 30 horsepower. Just kidding, not possible. Let's get to it. Okay, Hellcat squad, so let's pop the hood and see how the hell we take off this factory intake. I've never done this before. I've never attempted this before. Okay, so here we got the stock intake right here. How ugly is this stock intake, man? Like just like a rubber tube with like something, this big ass thing sticking out the side of it. An ugly intake right there. So let's get rid of this and let's install the new intake. Okay, so I had to watch the JLT intake removal of the factory airbox. So let's give it a try on the Trackhawk and hope I do not ruin anything. Okay guys, so I'm on TikTok live right now with my bro Trackhawk stuff. Make sure you go follow him on TikTok. He has the 3rd fastest Trackhawk in the world. And guys, if you are in from the live, I'm recording this for YouTube, so go check it out either tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, let's install the intake.
It's gonna be, yeah, you're gonna hear your blower a lot louder now. I mean, you have an exhaust, you did the exhaust first, so your exhaust is gonna kind of overpower it, but your blower will be much louder with the intake.
What's going on? Come on in.
Nice and warm in here.
I know.
Good.
Say hi.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. You on live?
Yeah, we're on live.
You set him up, man.
Yeah.
Set me up.
You had no idea. I'm also recording the YouTube video.
Oh, cool.
We're installing the intake right now. Look at his Trackhawk, bro. 3rd fastest in the world.
Yeah.
How much horsepower does it make again?
I don't know, we haven't done it on the new blower, but I would imagine on blower only, it's probably about 1100, and then if you get CS nitrous, it's probably...
You gotta get that. You gotta step up.
Yeah.
You gotta step up.
I'm gonna have to start paying you for like helping me. Damn, man. Okay, so I just like rip this off now? Want to record this?
Yeah, you should be able to just pop it off, but there's also going to be some clips on the
On the.
It should just. So I would pop the top of that box off, and you'll see a filter. Does it pop off?
There's screws on it.
Yeah.
Hi to YouTube.
What up, YouTube?
So when I do my pulley and tune, can I then tune it for the intake too?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the thing. Like, I would get all the parts that you're gonna get, and then get a tune. I'm sure you could do a lot more with Motec. That would be.
Oh, I just took
It's just expensive. It should just lift straight up. You kind of got to give
Just
it a
took it to the
jolt.
car wash or what?
No, I just walked in my garage.
Now you can probably see if there's any bolts or anything. There's the top of the lid.
Okay, so we take the top off.
Just slide it.
No bolts, it just slides out here.
There you
Okay, got it.
Just like that.
Just like that.
There you go.
I've already managed to screw up Caden's beautiful carbon fiber piece. Damn, that hurts.
Oh, does that go in there anyways?
Yeah. You're not gonna see that.
Okay. Spencer just dropped my intake.
Oh man. Just got off that one.
Once it's in there, you can twist it around. Like, you don't have to. It's just a rubber grommet. Boom.
So-
Keep going.
It's good.
Twist that sucker.
Okay guys, so we just got the intake on. It's looking pretty good. We're still on TikTok Live, guys. If you're tuning into my TikTok Live, this is gonna be on YouTube. Make sure you go check it out at Hellcat Guy. Remember when a van smoked your Mustang?
I don't remember that.
Yes, you do.
I don't remember
After
that.
full force.
I remember some diesel trucks that have smoked my Mustang. But here in Alberta, you'll have guys with like 1,000 horsepower diesel trucks that just haul ass.
So we gotta plug the map back in. There we go. Okay, so we got it here, it's installed. Now let's give it a start up. Why won't it start?
Get in it and try and do it without the remote start.
Oh man, come on.
Is it just blinking? Hey, is it?
Okay, so we hooked up the battery, hoping it's the battery that won't let it start, but... Nah, bro, like...
Just try it.
The remote start won't work. Up and running! We got it! Does that sound normal?
Yeah, and yeah, well, remote start. Is that Alberta?
Okay, so we finally got it done. I'm gonna give you guys a couple of revs. My battery keeps dying, I'm not sure why, but let's bring it in the garage.
You're good.
The crackles and pops, bro.
Wow.
I wonder what that sounds like from the outside.
Damn.
Just crackling and popping.
That is so.
like
That sounds
insane.
so good.
Holy moly.
I want you to like really rip on this thing.
Okay, like the engine's just warming up.
Yeah, you gotta let it warm up. Damn.
Damn, man, that's crazy. I love this thing. That intake makes such a big difference. Damn, man.
Wow.
That's good. That's real good. Okay. Don't crash this thing. That's going on YouTube.
Hell yeah. This guy wants all the smoke. Hands down.
3, 2, 1. Oh, we took him. Alrighty, y'all, that is gonna do it for today's video. If you guys are looking for your own intake, head over to legmaker.com. I am not in any way affiliated with them or sponsored, but they make honestly one of the best products on the market today for Mopars. And if y'all want to stay tuned to the Trackhawk build, we got lots more coming. So if you want to stay tuned to the Trackhawk build, make sure you guys smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell notification for upcoming content. With that being said, guys, Hellcat Guy signing off. We'll see you in the next one, Hellcat Squad. Psh.